Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to turn off Hey Google option into a ZTE Blade V8 Lite. First step, go into Google application, this one. And then on the top we got our Google account icon, so press it. And here we got setting options, so go into this. Then go into voice. And here we got Hey Google option, voice match, this one. Click it. And here got Hey Google option, so here press here to turn off. Click OK. And now we unactivated our Hey Google. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.